Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Infinix. Start by accessing Tab menu. Then you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that location is on, but you can always turn it off by selecting exactly the same icon. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location section here, then manage it by clicking on this sweater next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!